Who wants to go walk in and give Nana her stuff?
I will. Jay, you scratching that off the seatbelt?
I'm gonna beat his ass.
He spilled some on the seatbelt.
Stop it!
You see a bag? So I don't know exactly where she is in here. I just know she's here. So I'm gonna give you.
Nana, stop it!
Travis, sit
No, she's recording this.
Sit down. Today, get out the car.
Okay.
Stop it!
Okay. You're being super annoying. Get out the car now. Now, get out.
I need to end it. Where is she?
In there. Go find her. Travis, I'm gonna beat your ass.
I want to know why it won't let me end this.